Hello children, welcome to Moral Science class. Today we are going to start the next chapter, chapter 6, Honesty. What do you mean by word honesty? Honesty means ईमानदारी. You must have heard the saying, honesty is the best policy at all cost and at all time. It is the best to be honest. Honesty is closely linked to trust. If you are not honest, you will not be trusted. अगर तुम ईमानदार नहीं हो तो तुम्हारे पर कोई विश्वास नहीं करेगा. For instance, you send the servant to the market to buy something, say a ball pen. You know that it cost ₹1, but he tells you he paid ₹150 for it. You know he is cheating you. You will never trust him again. You might even turn him out of the job. Means that if you give your servant money to buy ball pen and if the servant says that it costs more than what you gave the amount, that is if he gave ₹1 and he's saying it is cost ₹1.50 and you know the real cost of the pen, that means the servant is cheating you. So you will not believe. Can you believe him? No, you will not trust him because he is not honest. वो ईमानदार नहीं है. You cannot trust a dishonest person. बेईमान लोग को ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते. Even if he gives a lot of charity, अगर चैरिटी दान पुण्य भी करोगे लेकिन ईमानदार नहीं हुए तो भी कोई उसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं करेगा. A man may go to the temple regularly. A woman may seems to be very religious. अगर तुम धार्मिक हो but if they are dishonest पर ईमानदार नहीं हो, people will not believe them to be religious. तुमको कोई धार्मिक नहीं मानेगा because you are not honest. They will doubt with their faith in God. तो तुम्हारे ऊपर भगवान के ऊपर भी तुमको विश्वास नहीं होगा, ऐसे वो लोग समझेंगे. So it is, if you do some religious work, if you do some charity and if you are not honest, that is all worthless. उसका कोई भी मतलब नहीं होता. A rich man once gave a stranger a job. This is rich man and he gave a stranger यानी अजनबी को उसने जॉब दिया. He made him the चौकीदार of his mango orchard. This man worked diligently and honestly and prayed regularly to God. So this man prayed regularly to God. This man has become a चौकीदार of a rich person. ऑर्चार्ड मीन्स बगीचा, आम का बगीचे का वो देखभाल करता था. और ही वॉज डूइंग वेरी डेडिकेटली ऑनेस्टली एंड ही यूज्ड टू प्रे टू गॉड ऑल्सो. One day the rich man summoned him and told him to pluck a few mangoes from the orchard. Summoned means उसको बुलाया और बोला कि तुम थोड़े स्वीट मैंगोज ऑर्चर्ड से प्लक करो, निकाल के लाओ. He wanted to give them to some guest. So this man wanted to give to guest the mangoes. So he asked चौकीदार to pluck the mangoes. The चौकीदार brought a basket of mangoes from the orchard. So, चौकीदार brought a basket of mangoes from the orchard. But all of them turned out to be sour. Sour means not sweet. The rich man was very angry. He said, I told you to pluck sweet ones. he shouted at the chowkidar. So he shouted at the chowkidar saying that this all means he has told to pluck all the sweet mangoes, and these mangoes were sour, they were not tasting sweet. But sir, the poor man replied. So poor man is saying, but sir, I don't know how to recognize the sweet mangoes from the sour ones. You see, he is saying he don't know how to find out which is sweet mangoes, which are sweet mangoes. You have lived among these trees for so many years. Don't tell me you don't know which tree bears sweet fruit. So this orchard owner is saying that you are leaving, that this chowkidar is leaving, staying here and taking care of orchard, and how does he don't know to find out which tree gives sweet mangoes. The rich man was quite astonished. Astonished means हक्का बक्का रहना, means हैरान हो गया. No sir, came the reply. You see, I have never tasted a mango from your orchard. But why ever not? Asked the rich man. So rich man is asking, why did you not taste the mangoes from the tree, from the orchard? Well, you have never asked me to eat them, he explained. My good man, the rich man said, you sit in the orchard all day long. Surely you don't need my permission to eat a mango. The man stood up in pride and replied, I am Chowkidar. You have appointed me to guard your trees. I prevent others from stealing. When this is so, can I steal mangoes myself if I don't have your permission to pluck the mangoes? It is stealing. So, the chowkidar is saying that I am appointed here to take the care of orchard. I am chowkidar and I am not allowing anyone to enter in the orchard and to pluck the mangoes. And when I am the chowkidar, how can I take mangoes, eat mangoes without your rich man's permission, means without taking his permission? So if I am eating the mangoes without your permission, it is like stealing. This man later won fame and was known as Mahatma Ibrahim. So afterward, this man was known as Mahatma Ibrahim. Honesty enrich all other qualities. Enrich means बढ़ाना, संपन्न करना, आगे बढ़ना. Means if you are honest, your other qualities also comes up. God helps you if you are honest. Everybody loves you for your honesty. If you are cheating somebody, you are dishonest. अगर तुम किसी को cheat कर रहे हो तो तुम ईमानदार नहीं हो. Honesty lives in your heart, in your mind, in your soul. It has nothing to do with the आउटवर्ड अपीयरेंस. अगर तुम बाहर से अच्छे दिख रहे हो, तुमने अच्छे कपड़े पहने, लेकिन तुम्हारे मन में ईमानदारी नहीं है, then it is useless. So the world worship the inner beauty that is born out of honest. So लोग तुम्हारी तारीफ करेंगे अगर तुम ईमानदार हो, ऑनेस्ट हो. Otherwise no one is going to trust you and no one is going to believe you.